everybody. This is Sunday, August the 28th. Yeah, I think so. Hi, sorry about that. I got messed up the first video I tried to do, so I'm trying this again. I am still dealing with this cold sore issue. This is day number 7, and it's better, but it's not better. So I do not have lipstick on today, and I do not have my new glasses on. I've been doing stuff around the house, and I had my old glasses on because I was still spraying my hair, and I just haven't changed them. I recently got back into diamond art painting. I quit for a while because I was reading so much, and so I have a really small stash. I just can't seem to spend the money on the new ones that are out from Diamond Art Club. I love them, but I just need to save my money. So one of the ones I picked out of my stash is called The Reading Tree by Randal Spangler, and he is my favorite Diamond Art Club artist. Now this is a square, as you can tell by the blue square. I haven't done any squares for a long time. And this is dusty. I had them on top of my cabinets above my fridge, so I had to climb up there and get it. So I was going to unbox this. This is a pretty, it feels like it's really a long one. It is 41 inches by 20 inches. So let us see what is in here. I'm using my new selfie stick, which I do not like, but so hopefully they won't knock it off. Okay, first off is a diamond painting toolkit. Every Diamond Art Club diamond painting comes with this. It comes with wax. It comes, oh gosh, these cats are nuts. It comes with some baggies. It comes with a boat. And it comes with a tool, and it comes with tweezers if you have a square. It comes with, trying to get it out of here, a little thingy to make your hands not hurt when you're doing it. It comes with, so I just dropped all the baggies on the floor. Wax. And it comes with the, what do you call, I forget what you call these things. These things that you put on the end of your pen, I guess you call it, so you can diamond paint. Well, let me pick these up real quick. I can just see these cats scattering them all over. Also, I have a fan running right next to me on the floor. I can just see them go right into the fan. So I don't use these little baggies, but I think a lot of people probably do. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is a little sticker that shows you the name of the painting, the artist, the size. I don't use these, but again, a lot of people do. Trying to pull this out here. Okay, Diamond Art Club really packages their stuff nice. Is that upside down? And this is all in plastic, and you just open it up like this, and the diamond dots are inside. So I was going to go over the colors with you. I'm not sure how many colors are in here, but we will find out. Okay, they also give you a how to diamond dot instruction thing, and it's got a coupon in there. You also get this, and these are stickers, and I use the, oh, what's the name of that thing that I use? I put on my dot. See, I have not done this in a long time, I'm telling you. Oh, I can't think of, you know, the thing you put all your diamond dots in, the plastic, you know, containers and stuff. And I have the system, and I can't think of what it's, Elizabeth Ward, that's it. I had the Elizabeth Ward system, and I use these stickers and I put them on my containers so I know what the color is and what the symbol is and all that stuff. And that's what they're for. It looks like there's 47 colors in this kit. And then this is another picture of the diamond painting reading tree. So let's get started. I am terrible at kitting up my colors. It takes me forever. I've had it take me like all afternoon before to kit these all up, put the stickers on and all that. So with all of these colors, that's going to take me a while. And this is a really thick bundle of colors. So let's go through here. They're not all on one continuous thing. I can't think of words today. Don't ask me why. Okay, so here is our first group of them. And I'm going to have to hold them because I've had the cats try to grab them before. Okay, so we've got three 310s. We've got a 2 939s. We've got 803 3830, which is that rust color. 701, 400, and we've got 3 of the 400s. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 814s. We have 2 3371s and 2 301s. Looks like I'm going to be using quite a few of my large containers. Okay, next group. These cats are just like watching me, dying to get a hold of these things. Okay, we go this way. Okay, we've got 743, 648, 2 702s, which is that green, 2 312s, 2 700s. We've got 2 823s, 2 976s. We have 2 3808s, 890. We have a 356, 2 355s, and 2 3770s. Boy, a lot of repeats on here. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, the next group. Okay, goes this way. 6, it's kind of dark on my side. I should have turned on the light, but I didn't. 647, 3760. Well, this is really hard to read. 977, which is that orangey color. 3818, we've got 2 of those and 2 of the 699s. And then we have 3 of the 815s. This one has a lot of brown in it because it's a tree, so that's probably why we've got a lot of repeats. And, oh my gosh, what's gotten into these cats? Okay. Can't see. That's probably why I need my glasses. 327, 947, 385. 385 is this orange. Then we've got 600, 900, 976, which is that blue, 150. I can't see these at all. 597, 519, 550, 3809, 3811, 132, 321, 758, 3607, 300. What's this yellow? 129, 704, and 938. That is a lot of colors. So sometimes it's hard for me to judge what size of Elizabeth Ward container to put these in. Of course, the ones that don't have too much in it, they're the smallest, but sometimes I can't. I'm not a good judge of that. Okay, here it is. And Diamond Art Club has the nicest feeling canvas. It is so soft. The longest one I did was, I think it was Train of Dreams. It was the one with the train, the Randal Spangler. It looked kind of like a Christmassy Christmas train or something. That was the longest one I did. But this one, ooh, nice. A lot of brown. Okay, I'm going to hold it up as best I can. I have a very narrow desk, and so I have to roll this up and only work on a small part at a time. I do use release papers, and they are reusable. It's funny, in the beginning, I did not know they were reusable, and I just kept buying them and buying them. But now I save them, so I can just reuse them. So there you have it. You also got the color key and the symbols on the side. So it is now 5 after 10. I'll see if I can start kitting this up. I've got to mow my mom's yard and do a bunch of stuff for her today, so I'm going to spend the whole afternoon doing that. So maybe I can get this kitted up and work on it tonight. So there you have it. The, what is this called? Reading tree. The reading tree. I'm going to set this over here. And of course, after I kit it up, I go ahead and put all my release paper on top of the canvas. So it's ready to go. So it's going to be different doing a square. Squares are not my favorite because, of course, squares are harder. But I think they turn out better. To me, they take longer because you got to make sure that they fit just perfect. The rounds, you know, they're just round. You know, they don't fit right smack next to each other like the square does. So, okay, there you have it. Diamond Art Club, my favorite. I started out doing Amazon, really cheap ones, and you can certainly tell the difference. And then my niece Alyssa got me onto Diamond Art Club, and actually she's the one that got me to do diamond art painting, and she still does it to this day, and I do it too. I like it. I think it's fun. I like to listen to YouTube when I'm doing it, or whatever on TV, music. I think it's relaxing. I have a job that I'm just thinking all the time and figuring stuff out and everything, and sometimes it's kind of nice to just kind of do something that you don't have to think about a lot. So there you have it. Hopefully this cold sore will be gone by the time I do another video. I don't know. Let's see, I got a Stitch Fix coming, so I'm not sure when that's coming, but it should be this week. So we'll see what the status is of my lip. It's not as swollen as yesterday, but it's still, you know how these things are. They're horrible. All right, there you go. I got through my video. No more interruptions. My selfie stick is still standing. I wish I knew where my old one was. So thank you for watching. Thanks for my new subscribers. I noticed I have a few. I think that's great because I don't have very many. And I'm not doing this to get subscribers. I'm doing this just for me. And but it's nice to have subscribers all along the way. I really do appreciate it. it's nice to know somebody does watch your videos. And yeah, so I also have a pair of Nikes coming. They're actually men's Jordans, but I've bought men's Nikes before. I got these on Nike.com, and we'll see. I wear a size 8 in women's, so in the men's it's 6.5, which is what I ordered. So we'll see how these go, and I'll do an unboxing of that. But other than that, I don't have anything else coming. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are doing your own diamond art painting, whatever the brand, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And I will see you guys later.